Today I'm checking out this organizer. Let's open it up. Out the box, this is what it's going to look like. Comes with this little carrying strap right here if you want to carry it like over your shoulder, but it's also got this little handy carrying handle here. It has all the pieces and everything inside. Let's go ahead and pop this thing open, spread it out. So it's got this little clip here on each one of these little canisters. So let's say you had a certain screw in here or something, you're working on the fence, doing whatever, and this was full of that. Well, you can just clip this on your belt and, carry this around, with you, or clip it on your pants. And, these open up, hold quite a bit. You can lock the lid on them. I mean, pretty nice in that perspective. But also, when you put them in here, they lock into place here. So they're not all rattling around inside of here. You've got different sizes too. So again, if you pull one of these out, and you come over here to this one. So this one here, so to open them, you pull this in and then you lift it up. But this one's full of all of these little like tabs in it, right? So even this container here, you can slide a divider down the middle. And now, it's pretty much sealed on both sides. It even has a tab here. So even if this thing rattles around a lot, all of your stuff's going to stay together. So you can still pull it open. If you don't need it, you need something a little bigger in there. Well, you take the divider out, go ahead and close it. Then you go ahead and put it back in. These larger ones, same deal. You put the divider in right down the middle, close it. Now you got a 2-compartment, little caddy here. This is really neat. So as you can see, it's got quite a few of these. In this container here, there is, looks like labels. Yeah, there's labels here. So if you want to label each one of the compartments, you can put a little label right here. As you see, there's like a little indentation thing here. These labels go right on top of that, so you can label everything. This can slide this direction. Now you got 2 pieces, right? Well, if you look here, they built in little hangers here. So you put a couple screws in the wall or some of those little pegs that you have like pegboard, and you can just literally hang this on the wall. And now you've got a wall organizer where you can just stick these in and hold everything on the wall. Take this off the wall when you're ready to go. Snap the hinge back together. So you line them straight up, squeeze it back together. Now it's all clamped back together. And now you have this back in one piece. You can clamp it and carry all your items with you. Neat little device, neat way they designed it. Again, like I said, both sides have this. You can hang it either way. So you can hang it like this. You can flip it like this because you can see these little pieces here. And both sides, of course, have that. So yeah, really neat little multi-purpose case. So neat little product. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.